Hi guys, and welcome to this Divi WordPress theme tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignertechtips.com. In this series of videos we're going to be building a one-page scrolling website with the Divi WordPress theme. And this theme's got some great things. It's got some video sliders, we've got animations, got a bit of CSS going on there, got a video background. And in this series of videos I'm going to show you how easy it is to actually put this site together. We'll start from scratch and we'll work from the header all the way down to the footer. We've included some great features like a back to the top button and some smooth scrolling to get to our various sections here. And although Divi has some great built-in themes and templates, this is for people that want to build their own from scratch, and it really is quite easy, especially with the new Divi builder. For those of you that haven't got Divi, you can get it from my affiliate link below this video, or you can go to elegantthemes.com and get it from there. So let's get started building this site. Okay, let's move on down to the Contact Us section. Let's go back to our page and we'll create a new section. Standard section. Let's make it 1/3 and 2/3. And here we'll just put a text module in with a bit of information. And where we're located, I guess I'll just put in a fictitious address, or let's use I think it's the Empire State Building. I think that's the Empire State Building address there, but that's fine. I'll use it for our map in a minute, we'll soon find out. And let's give it a sweet name. And that would be in New York. And the zip, which is 10118, I think. Put a little comma after that. And we'll give it a phone number. What else can we give it? Opening hours, say Monday to Friday. (8:30 till 5:30). Let's put some AMs and PMs in there, I suppose. Make it a little clearer. That's probably all we need, and we'll make our heading a little bit larger there. And we'll use our blue color. Let's make that a heading 2. And let's make it our nice blue color we've been using. Put the hex color in there, click on the box above, and there we go. So that's that little section done. We can have a quick look. Yeah, I think that'll probably work. Might want to put a bit more space between the heading and the actual text itself. Let's give that just one more space there. Yeah, that should be okay. We might decide to make that larger later, but let's go ahead and put our contact form in. So in our next section here, obviously you can do this with the Visual Builder if you want to, because I've been using Divi for so long, I quite often just use this edit feature. I think it's great, but do it however works best for you. So we want a contact form. There's our contact form. And we'll keep it simple. Name, email, message, which is what we've got there. Title, I think I will just say reach out. Success message, let's thank you. When they submit a message and it gets sent, this is what they'll get. Submit button, I think I'll just put submit there. Now the email, you need to put in whatever email address you want it to go to, me@myemail.com. And that's where all messages from this will be sent for. Message pattern, I'm not going to worry about that. Do we want to display a captcha? Why not? That will save you a bit of spam every now and again. Now redirect URL, if you put that on, you can redirect it to any page you want, or the top of the page, however you want to do it. I'm not going to, it's fine, we'll just leave it there with the success message, so I'll turn that back off again. Background, we're going to leave as is. Now design wise, let's have a look and see what we've got here at the moment. I know I'm going to want to make the title that blue color. Yeah, I'm going to want to make that blue color that we've got over there. I want to make this a little bit more interesting, so I might add a bit of box shadow to it. Buttons okay. I think I'd rather have it our nice blue color that we had before though. And perhaps just with the blue, the blue outline and blue legending when we roll over it. I'm not seeing a captcha there in our preview. Okay, that's why. Okay, let's go to the design. Text orientation, well, we can keep that left. It's fine. Don't want text shadow. Now, I think that's an H2, isn't it? The title. .26, that's fine, and we'll have that blue color of ours. It's good. Title text shadow, we don't want any text shadow there. Field background, I'm just going to leave that as that default. It's sort of this color we've got going on right here. Font weight's fine. Text shadows, don't want any there. Custom styles for button, let's customize our button. Text size, we can leave that is. Button text color, let's make that white. Button background color, we'll make that our blue color. There we go. Border, that's fine, we'll leave that is. Border color, we'll make that the same. And it's 2 pixels wide, that'll work. Border radius, that makes it either round or square. There, we'll leave it at 3. It gives it slightly rounded corners. I'm not going to show the button icon. I don't want a button on there. Now the hover text color, when we hover over it, I'll make that a blue color. So we're basically reversing a lot of this. Hover background color we want to be white, or transparent would work just as well. And the border we want to have that blue still, so let's put that in there, border color. That should work. Button, the box, we'll give it a bit of box shadow, just to make it stand out a little bit more. That's fine. We'll leave default values. But I also want to put some box shadow on our actually inputs. I think that's here. Let's have a look, see what we've got so far. There we go. We made that button blue now, and it's got the blue border and the blue writing when we hover over it. I'd like to put a bit of box shadow over these to make them stand out a bit more. I think that's what we've got here. Let's put that on and let's have another look. There we go. That's giving it a bit of box shadow. That makes it stand out a little bit more. So I'm fairly happy with that. That doesn't look quite the same size as that, which I know is 26. So let's go back in there. Just save that. And let's have a look at our H2, that was heading 2. It is 26, so it looks the same. Okay. Let's save this and see what it looks like when we preview it. We'll update. And preview our changes. Scroll on down. And here's the contact section we've just built. Yeah, those two don't look the same to me. But I might want to make them both a little bigger. So let's use the visual builder. Scroll on down while it's loading. Let's have a look what we've got here. So my title text is 26. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Say 32. Yeah, I like that better. So let's save that. Now let's make this one a little bit bigger. That's our H2 from memory. H2. And let's make that 32 pixels as well. There we go. That makes that stand out a bit better. So let's save that. Save our changes. And exit the visual builder. Get on down. Of course, we will put a menu up in a few videos time, so we can just hit it and scroll down to where we want to go. There we go. There is our contact section. So in the next video, let's add a Google map just below that.